Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Welcome to, we're pushing near the end of May at the moment, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a shed update. Starting something new here, thought we'd bring you behind the scenes a little bit and let you know what's going on in the shed. So we've had a few big weeks here, like every week. It's a massive week here at Big Dog Builds. We've got some awesome trucks in the car park ready to come into the shed. We've got some pretty cool ones in the shed behind me. So we'll go through what we've been doing and we'll go for a quick look around at what we've got in currently. We've got Peter Grant's on the hoist. So this is a wicked looking Ram 3500. It's got the satin wrap from the girls at Slick As. So this is stage one of this build. It's gone off, it's had the PPF done. We've got it in here, we're doing weld-on shock mounts. We're doing the full pin top 3.25 inch kit with the works on this one. So Ram 3500, definitely the best platform in regards to pretty much anything out there, single rear wheel for GVM. So this is going off to Off-Road Creative. Once we've done the suspension kit, it's getting the Off-Road Creative full canopy set up on the back there, and then it's coming back up, we're finishing it off. So we've also installed a trail ready bar on the front of this one. Satin black finish, looks tough. We've got the 15K carbon winch installed. We've installed the Rhino rack to the roof for now. When it comes back after canopy, we'll be doing lighting setup and a few other bits and pieces to get this one dialed in. We've also had Tony's Chevy 2500. This is an awesome looking black Chev. We've got the flared fitment, the machine 605 methods on this one, as well as 35, 12.5, 20 Maxxis tyres. So good combination all round. It's got the Cognito 3-inch lift in this one, sitting really nice. The 35s with the 3-inch lift and that flared look definitely looks amazing. These Method 605 machine wheels just look amazing as well. We've also had Scott Anderson's Ram. This one's not shy around the shed here. He lets us do a lot of R&D on this vehicle, so we're playing with a different pressure control system for the air on board on this one. So this is the Air IQ setup from ReadyLift. We've plumbed that into the air tank on board and we're playing around. It's got a neat little phone app at the moment, so getting little bits and pieces done on this one. Stay tuned, I'll probably be releasing this kit in the future, but for now a few more little bits and pieces. Got the GMC Sierra underway as well, so we did have to take the bull bar off this one, the tough bar off to get the winch installed. The Chevys and GMC platforms have got some weird little shutters that you need to move out the way to fit winches, so we've got that uninstalled at the moment. We've got 3 laser lamps going on the bar on this one, the Big Dog roof rack up on top. This has got the steady 50-inch curved light bar, the steady 13-inch work lights on the sides. This thing's going to be amazing. It's off to Off-Road Creative as well. So guys that are looking at doing multi-part builds, remember it's best to come here first. We'll get the suspension installed. If it's got leaf springs in the rear, we'll go off to Springmaster. Peter Grant's is there in the car park. Looking really, really tough now that it's got the rear end upgrade done. Was going over there a little bit of a Cali lean look. So get the rear end done. When the canopy goes on at Off-Road Creative, it's going to get to a pretty nice position. And then when it comes back afterwards to get those final touches done, we'll dial it in and yeah, get it ready to hit the road full time. So come on through the shed and we'll show you what we've got working on at the moment. Got another nice clean 3.25 inch lifted Ram 2500. This is a night edition Laramie straight from ASV. So having the blackout kit done, 3.25 inch. We've got the airbag assist in the rear, that's why it's quite high in the rear. We always set these bags to 40 PSI for a couple of weeks just to let the airbag man coil help us sit in position. But the 35-inch mud terrain Toyo tyres on the 305 black wheels definitely looks the part. This one's got the basic 3.25 inch lift, the sway bar drops. So you can achieve this lift, this look, without spending big dollars on the full kit. But obviously every other optional extra that Carly offers definitely plays part. Your radius arms, torsion sway bar, low mount, high mount steering stabilizer. They all play a part in the drivability, getting that wheel alignment dialed in, and will definitely outlast pretty much anything else on the market. So over on the hoist, we've got a brand new XLT. So this one is from ASV F250 XLT. This one's heading up to Darwin once we're finished with it. So we're putting in a Carly 3.5 inch leveling kit. Pin top leveling kit that is, so it's a King's 2.5 remote res shocks. It'll bring the front up to match the rear. In the rear is the shock upgrade. We'll also install some Firestone airbags in the rear as well. Then we've got a Jenny hitch combo going on the back. So quite a simple one, this one. But once it's installed, it's going to be an amazing drive and be ready for all the Darwin roads up north. Swinging around the corner, we've got a pretty iconic Chevy 2500 built in. This one's back. Jared's on the road full time. We've got it back in, installing the off-road creative front bar on this. Front bar looks amazing. It's got the 3 laser lamp Sentinel 9 inches on the hoop, the black hoop, color-coded bar, camera relocation kit so your front camera still works. Rob's underneath getting the winch plate, underbody bash plate installed. It's got the 15K carbon winch in there as well. So great LED lighting combo in this bar. If you go these big spots on the bar, you're going to get distance for days. This one we did mid last year. It's got the 3-inch coilover conversion kit in it. It's got the black 605 methods, 37-inch Black Bear tyres. It's good to come in now and then. For stage 2, we've done a bit of a suspension adjustment. We've also gone and installed some rear work lights on the back of the canopy. So if you don't get it all done in stage 1, you hit the road full time, you definitely know what those little adjustments are that is needed and what you're wanting to do next time. And we've got a pretty cool looking 3500 limited ram on the hoist here. This one's got the Whitlock bull bar. Was quite challenging to install. A lot of man hours put into this one to fit the massive carbon tank 20K winch on here. It's got the hardcore driving lights on the front, but good looking color coded bar. The 3500 from ASV, the limited night editions, definitely look amazing. We've started off doing the Rhino rack up on the roof. It's been to off-road creative already. We have done stage 1 on this one with the full Carly pin top kit as well. So it's all set up. We've got roof rack lighting, got underbody lighting, finish off this front end, got TPMS, a few extra 12 volt goodies on this one, and it'll be hitting the road full time shortly. The girls at Slickaz are going to be adding some more paint protection film to the forward facing edges on the bull bar. The rest of the vehicle's been done already from the girls there. We're going to be adding some aftermarket bushwhacker flares, so they'll get the paint protection film as well as the entire canopy, both the shell of the canopy and the doors. So this one's coming along really, really well. And we've got Rob's 2500 here as well. So flares are about to go on. It's your bushwhacker pocket style flares. This one's had the Carly lift kit installed as well. So just your 2.5 inch leveling pin top kit. We've got the full behind seat battery setup going in this one. So 100 amp super slimline battery, bit of an iconic battery setup there, enough to run a fridge full time in the rear. And then on the back, we've gone and installed the electric tonneau cover. It's also got the GME UHF 680 and aerial on the back there as well. And from that battery setup, we've just gone your grey and red Anderson plugs in the rear. So you've got your solar charger, you've got outputs for your USB, twin USBs and a SIG port as well. And then we've just got the little bracket here with the twin Viair compressors. So this pretty neat bracket setup is going to have twin Viair 400C pack. This tucks up neatly underneath the guard here. So a bit of fiddling around, we get it all prepped up. The boys do an amazing job at sneaking 2 wicked output compressors all hidden underneath this the tub on the rams. So that's going in there. We'll add pressure control to that one, tap it into the airbags that are going in the rear coils, and then you're going to have compressors turned on from the comfort of the driver's seat. You're going to be able to inflate, deflate the airbags, and you've also got the Nido air outlet, the ARB air outlet at the rear as well to pump up tyres and do any other inflatable toys. So that's the shed rundown. Fair few good looking rigs in here today. Got even more in the car park. There's a pretty red Chevy out there as well, so I can't wait to get into that one. There's some tough Chevys coming through, some awesome looking F trucks, and of course we're always known for the Rams here as well. So if you've got a Ram, Chevy or Ford HD truck on order, definitely get in touch. The lead times are blowing out a little bit like everywhere, but look forward to hearing from you, getting your parts ordered, sitting upstairs. We've got plenty of stuff up there ready to go for all these builds coming up. If you have any questions, guys, get in touch, fill out the book a call tab on the website. I look forward to speaking to you.